Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change graphics settings in Marble Future Fight. In order to change the graphics setting in Marble Future Fight, first of all, open up the Marble Future Fight game on your device and on the main screen, go ahead and look for the settings button at the top right corner. After you go ahead and click the settings icon, from the settings menu, click on option. Now under options, you'll see a graphics button which you can customize. In the graphics section, you can typically choose between options like high, medium, low or very low. If you want better performance on slower device, make sure to choose very low or low. If you have a better performance device, then you can click on high or medium. After you make a selection, click on OK at the bottom of the screen to save the changes. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to customize the graphics setting in Marble Future Fight. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.